Jason.
Hey, how's it going?
What's up, man? Tell the folks a little bit about yourself and what this video is going to be about.
This video is about why you, as a creative, need a producer. My name is Jason Solari, and I'm from the United States, and I've been living in Brisbane, Australia for the last 14 years. And I'm the director and producer of the Initiative production company. As a creative, you're probably a one-man band, and you're realizing that you're not the best at organization and managerial skills. You need someone to take over these responsibilities. That's a producer. A producer allows creatives to be creative. I did a short film once, and it was probably the biggest endeavor that I'd ever kind of set out to do. And I was producing, I wrote the thing, and I was directing. And so what happened on the actual day of the shoot, had a huge crew. We hired this bus, and we were doing a short film inside this bus. And my thoughts were all over the place, and I was so scatterbrained I couldn't actually focus on the look of the film or the performances, and I never finished the movie. It was completely undone, and it's never seen the light of day, unfortunately. It had some great behind-the-scenes footage, but it's never come to fruition. And that's when I realized I need a producer to focus on the things that they focus on so that I could actually be creative.
Producing is very much an overlooked area of responsibility, especially on the amateur level of filmmaking. On that amateur to in between amateur to quasi-pro level of film production, what would a producer, we're kind of using a general term here, what would they kind of take over as far as responsibilities?
The producer's responsibilities would include stuff like hiring everyone from the cast and the crew, and also working with the director to hire a director of photography. And it's really important to have a great relationship and a great communication between you and the producer. Producers are going to be focusing on things like legal, permits, releases, all those important things that you don't have time for as a creative as you're shooting or directing and trying to get great performances or a great look. That leads us to the wrap book, and the wrap book is something that is put together by the producer at the very end, which includes, so importantly, receipts for tax purposes. So producer is going to be in charge of that, as well as coordinating every single department so that your finished product is working seamlessly together from every single department on through to the director. Producers are the ones, you can spot them on any set. They're the ones that have their phone out. They're on it all the time. And that also goes to say, if anyone has questions or needs to be let in the gate, or catering needs to get a hold of somebody, you call the producer, you don't call the director. All right, that's the person you call, producer, always. And the last thing that you should know is that you don't need a massive budget to hire a producer. A producer can be anyone who's got great managerial skills, can work with people, and can administrate things like budgets and schedules. So get that really organized person that you trust by your side, and you've got yourself a producer.
Well, this is something that I need to replay in my head every time I organize a new shoot. Don't do it yourself. Hire a producer. It doesn't have to cost a lot of money. It's necessary for an effective shoot to take place. We're going to end this video by saying thanks so much, guys, for watching, and keep it chill.